In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Constant Contact. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are in the main dashboard area, since that is where you will begin creating a new email campaign. Next, look for the Create option in the navigation. Click Create, and then choose Send an Email. This is the pathway Constant Contact uses to start building a new email, and it will take you to the template selection area. From the available options, select Paste Your Own Code. This choice is specifically for importing a custom HTML email design, rather than building with the drag-and-drop editor. It is a good fit when you already have an HTML template prepared, for example from a designer or another email platform. Before you continue, it helps to have your HTML copied and ready so the next part goes smoothly. After you choose the option to paste your own code, you will be prompted to name your campaign. Type a clear, recognizable name. Using a name that includes the purpose of the email and a date can make it easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple campaigns. Once you have entered the name, click Save. Saving at this point ensures the campaign is created properly before you add your custom code. Now you will see an editing area that contains placeholder code. Delete the placeholder code completely. Be careful to remove only the placeholder content inside the editor and leave the page itself as it is. Then paste your HTML directly into that same editor window. When you paste, try to keep the formatting intact. A helpful tip is to paste once, then pause for a moment and scan the beginning and end of the code to confirm everything transferred correctly. At this stage, your custom HTML template is now imported into Constant Contact as the body of your email campaign, and that is all there is to it.